Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to show you how to get extra storage for your iPhone by deleting the project on the CapCut. But I will show you the fastest way to delete your project by doing the multiple delete. To do the multiple delete, now you need to open the CapCut application. And whenever it's open, now you just need to stay in the edit section. You will see there will be like 4 sections right here, and then you just need to go click this edit part. Now the first thing you have to do is just decide which project that you want to delete. So let's say I would like to delete this, so you just need to go click and hold the project. And you can see whenever you click and hold, there will be like pop up like several buttons or small circles here. So you just need to go click this to have the checklist button on inside the circles, and you just need to pick another project that you want to delete. You can leave the circles unmarked if you don't want to delete the project. Okay, just keep going. Let's delete everything here, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click delete. Confirm that you want to delete those projects. Now you already deleted 12 projects in a row by doing this multiple delete. So that's the way, guys, how to delete multiple projects on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.